Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about differentiation. We will focus on kinematics. First of all, we need to learn about some quantities we have. First of all, we have S. It stands for the displacement. The displacement, it's the distance, but with direction. So it's a vector quantity, not a scalar one. And its unit is meters. Also, we have V. The V here stands for the velocity. The velocity also, it's the speed, but with direction. It's vector quantity. And it's the rate of a change of the displacement. Its unit is meter per second. We have also A, stands for acceleration. The acceleration is the rate of a change of velocity. So it's meter per second squared. So we have displacement, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and also we have t. It stands for the time. Here, we have to know how to get the velocity from displacement and how to get acceleration from velocity or displacement. The order here, or the correct order, if we have displacement, we can differentiate the expression of displacement to get the velocity. And from the velocity, using differentiation, we can get the acceleration. So again, if we have displacement and I use differentiation, so I will get velocity. If I have velocity and I will use differentiation, I will get the acceleration. So we differentiate displacement to get the velocity. We differentiate velocity to get acceleration. If the given in the question, the displacement, and he asks us to get the acceleration, so we will need to differentiate 2 times. The first time from displacement to velocity, then I will differentiate again, I will differentiate more 1 time to get the acceleration. Okay, so here's the displacement. V here is the rate of a change of the displacement, so it's ds over dt, because we will differentiate the displacement with respect to the time. Also for acceleration, it's dv over dt. Okay, so finally you have to keep in your mind, you have displacement, you will differentiate to get velocity. You have velocity, you will differentiate to get acceleration. Okay, this is the order you will follow in each question. Let's see here a question from the past papers, Edexcel board, question 16, June 2019, paper 1 HR. It says a particle P is moving along a straight line. The fixed point O lies on this line. At time t seconds, the displacement s meters of P, the particle, from O is given by S equal 4t cubed minus 6t squared plus 5t. So this is the expression for the displacement. At time t seconds, the velocity of P is v meter per second. Find an expression for v, for velocity, in terms of t. So it's given the displacement, and I need to find the velocity. How? Using differentiation. So velocity equal 4t cubed, the basic rule for differentiation, power rule, we multiply power by the coefficient, then we decrease the power by 1. So 3 times 4, it's 12. T power 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 6t squared, so 2 times 6, it's 12t power 1, or just t. Then plus 5t, it's t power 1, so 1 times 5 is 5, then it will be t power 0, so no need to write it. So finally, the velocity equal 12t squared minus 12t plus 5. Then part B, find the time at which the acceleration of the particle is 6 meters per second. We need to find the time when the acceleration equal 6 meters per second square. So that means that I need to find the acceleration firstly, then after that I will find the time. How can I get the acceleration? The acceleration is the differentiation of the velocity. So I will differentiate the expression I got here in the answer of part A. I have 12t squared, so 2 times 12, it's 24t power 1, or just 24t. Minus 12t, it will be just minus 12, then 5 will be 0, so we'll cancel it. So I got now expression in terms of t for the acceleration. Now I need to find the time when the acceleration equal to 6. So just here, substitution. We will use substitution. We will substitute for a equals 6. So 6 equals 24t minus 12. Then its equation now, I will move negative 12 here, so it will be plus. So 6 plus 12, it's 18. Then after that, 18 equal 24t. Then next step, we move 24 here. So it will be division. So 18 over 24 equal t. That means that the time finally equal 18 over 24, it's 0.75 seconds. So this is the time when the acceleration equal to 6. So the time is 6. Let's do another question. Question 24, June 2019, paper 1H. A particle B is moving along a straight line that passes through the fixed point O. The displacement S meters of P from O at time t seconds is given by S equals t cubed minus 6t squared plus 5t minus 4. Find the value of t again, for which the acceleration of P is 3 meters per second square. So again, he asked us to find the time when the acceleration equal to 3. But I cannot find the acceleration directly. I need to take it step by step. I need to differentiate the expression of displacement to get the velocity. Then from the velocity, I will differentiate again to get the acceleration. So first of all, the velocity equal, I will differentiate this expression of displacement. So t cubed, it will be 3t squared. Minus 6t power 2, it will be minus 12t power 1. Then plus 5t, it will be just plus 5. So this is the velocity. Now I will get the acceleration. So the acceleration equal 2 times 3, it's 6t minus 12. 6t minus 12. Now I got the acceleration. I need to substitute for a equals 3 to get the time. So here 3 equals 6t minus 12. Move negative 12 here, so 3 plus 12, it will be 15, equal to 6t. Move 6 here, so it will be 15 over 6 equal t. So finally, 15 divided by 6, I have 2.5. So t equals 2.5 seconds. So this is the final answer. That's it. This is the basics for this part from differentiation. We still have harder questions. We will solve them afterwards in other videos. I hope you got this well. See you next time. Goodbye.